Hiya, this morning I have the June kit from Planners Anonymous to unbox. So this kit is called Getaway. You can't receive the Getaway kit anymore, but if you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe to the next kit, which is a pink peony planner babe kit, which looks awesome. But anyway, let's look at this one. Ta-da! It's a holiday in a box. Look at all of this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow. Okay, this is a sticker book, which is a special product for this month. But first of all, like usual, I'm just going to look at the papers. This is the first paper I see, and I love it. Love, love, love it. It's nice, soft, muted watercolors, and they're like Polaroids all over the paper. It's definitely a nice beachy holiday sort of a feel. Oh my goodness. Love it. So this is the other side. So there's two of those. Just pop them over here, and then there's this coconut. You see that there? And on the reverse side of that, this gorgeous watercolor scene with the trees. So two of those, and then don't you just want to be there? Really, really nice. It's probably hard for the camera just to pick up the gorgeous soft watercolors. Hopefully just zooming in there you can see. They really are gorgeous. I love that. And then on the reverse side we've got flamingos. So we've got two of that. So they're the 6 pieces of paper. And then we've got a vellum, which is the same as one of the papers, so that's the vellum. Vellum, of course, is a little bit translucent, a little bit see-through. So if we grab the paper, for example, you can see the vellum's a little bit see-through. So it's great for layering in things. Love vellum. And then this is the acetate, the nice golden, I think it's a Monstera. I think that's what it's called. And on the reverse side, oh wow, now that's the gold side. This side looks a little bit gold, but in fact it's actually more silver now that I look at it. And this is the front side of it with the gold. So with acetate as well, it's great for layering because it's also a little bit translucent, and it just makes papers and things a little bit more exciting, in my opinion. I love vellum and acetate. So they're the pages for the month, and then a lot of the kit is in this bag, so we'll open this and have a look. Now the first thing I see is the pen, because I love pens and I'm always drawn to the pen. And hopefully you can see there the crystals in the barrel, Planners Anonymous there. And it's this gorgeous blue colour. Really nice. Love the pen. We'll just look at the washi near the end. This is the girl for the month. So every month there's a different girl in their Planners Anonymous kits. So it's not all about the girl. There's a lot that isn't girl if you don't like planner girls, but this is the girl for the month, and her name is Betty. So I won't read that out in case you want to read that for yourself. You can pause it and read it if you like. And then we've got the quote cards for the month. Oh, that's nice. That's the backing card. So we've got Live for Today, Beach Life with the Polaroids. Love that. Hashtag Beach Life. Let's Stay Forever. Tropical State of Mind. Love it. Meet Me Under the Palms. That's nice. Oh, and this one goes the other way. That's a bit of a trick. Endless Summer Vibes. And look at those colours. Gorgeous, gorgeous colours. So they're the 6 cards for the month. Here's the stamp set for the month. Love the little camera there and the little aeroplanes. There are little icons that can be useful all of the time, and then there are the elements of this kit specifically, like the girl and the palm leaves and all of those beachy sort of things. It's really cute postcard down there, and the little weather stamps are separate from the postcard, so they're also little icons that can be used. So super fun stamp set as usual. And then these are the die cuts. So this is the big 5x7 inch die cut. I think Sammy calls it an art card. So this month Sammy's done something special with the art card, and she's turned it the other way and made it into a postcard. So you could incorporate this in Happy Mail, or you can just use it in your crafting and so on. So really gorgeous colours. Very, very nice. So that's the large die cut. And then we've got one of these Polaroids. So you can fold that over. Fold that in half. It's slightly perforated. You probably can't see it, but it's slightly perforated there. And that can be a bookmark, and you can put whatever you like in there, or just leave it as is so you see what's on your planner page through it. Or you can just chop them off and use them as Polaroid frames. So whatever you like. One's got that gorgeous scene in it, and one's got this one. Then the pocket this month is a suitcase, so that's also oh, bonus. I got a bonus suitcase, that's very lucky. So if you look, you can see it's perforated also, so you just fold along there, and it makes a really simple pocket, which you can then fit stickers, for example, into. And Sammy did show in a sneak peek, there's a page of stickers with little labels that you can pop on the suitcase, so it looks like a well-travelled suitcase. It's fun, it's cute. And then these are the other die cuts. I always love these minis. And there's the girl. And then some nice big flowers and leaves. Perfect for decorating dashboards. And some smaller ones. And who doesn't want to be lying in the hammock with that drink? Gorgeous. Loving the soft colour palette. So nice. So then there's these stickers from the kit. And I love them already. So here you can see the suitcase with some stickers on it, so you can emulate that. And we've got 2 different girls there. These are just, I just love this artwork. And we have another girl there. So nice. And here we have some date headers and the Traveller's Notebook sticker, which you fold these 2 together and close, and you can have something secret written in there, so it's on your planner page but can't be seen. And then this is the 4th sticker sheet. So these 4 sticker sheets are part of the planner subscription. There's also an additional sticker set, which we'll look at the end. So the other 4 stickers, and then there's the washi for the month. I'll roll this out and we'll have a look at it. So another thing I really like about the Planners Anonymous washi is it isn't separately packaged, so it's nice and quick and easy to get into. I like that. Here's the washi from the kit. It's all got gold foiling on it, and it has quite a long pattern before the pattern repeats. So this one here is quite good for checklists and things like this as well. So that's the 10 centimetre one. These are the 10 millimetre, sorry. This is the 15 millimetre washi with the nice floral on it. And you can see quite a long pattern before it repeats. And then this is the 30 millimetre washi, which is just stunning. And it also has this little bit here before it repeats. You can see there's the girl on the beach, and there she is right at the beginning there. So a really nice decorative scene that you can use for all sorts. So they're the washies. And then the special item that changes every month for the kit this month is a sticker book. So this is the first sticker book that Planners Anonymous have done, and it looks gorgeous. One thing I really like about Planners Anonymous are the soft sort of muted colours that are used, the gorgeous watercolour colours. If we open it up, you can see there. So this is, it's not leather, obviously. It's, what's it called? PVC, I think. It's thick. You can see there just how thick it is. Oh goodness, there's blue pages inside it. That's a surprise. And inside has this gorgeous pink. The blue pages are quite a surprise actually. So it has access on both sides, here and here. And it's really thick, sturdy plastic. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 8 of those. So you have 16 sides that you can pop things in. You can put all sorts in them. The first thing that came to mind for me was actually the stamps. So if you'd like to store stamps from different kits, you could pop them all in there. And it looks like there is some capacity for that to be quite wide. So you can fit them in there. I think Sam designed it as a sticker book. So you can pop your stickers in here. And they're underwater with the blue. Underwater stickers. You could also use it just for storing die cuts. Anything really. So when you receive the kit, you could pop everything in it and you've got everything in one place. Nice and easy to flip through and look at. So that's nice. Love the flamingo. I'm not sure what I'll do with it yet, but I'm sure I'll do something. So that was everything in the planner kit, and now there's the extra sticker kit. So once again, another big chunk, as I seem to call it, another big chunk of stickers. So there's the first one with the girl and these gorgeous florals. Another girl. Flamingos, really nice. The artwork's just so lovely. The coconuts and the leaves. Oh, nice. Hopefully the camera's just picking up the colours and the watercolour effect, because it's just gorgeous. All the drinks and the fruit. There's the suitcases and the various stickers that you can have on the suitcases here. The Polaroids, that's a gorgeous sheet. Okay, now we're into the double boxes and the full boxes. So these are 1.5 inches width, so Erin Condren width. Oh, look at those. There we have them again, two boxes and full boxes. These stickers I love every month. So these are full box stickers, but you can also write on them. So they're decorative but also functional. So I love that. And 2 of those. And then this one with the 2 months of date dots and the sticky notes, which are also one of my favourite stickers every month, these sticky notes. A whole page of sticky notes would be fantastic, but you can only get so much, can't you? And then this colour's gorgeous. So these are the date headers and the watercolour swatches and the full boxes and trackers for the month. So in these colours we've got that. So we have 4 of those. And then these are the minis, which are also always one of my favourites. I love the mini here. And surfer mini. All of them are cute. So they're the minis. So they match these girls, if you look at it. So you've got this girl here, and then that's her mini. And you have this girl here, and that's her mini there. So it's like that for the kit. And then this sheet here, which is so cute, the functional minis. So these ones are peekaboo minis. They can peek on the side of a box, and these ones on the top of a box. And then you've got the functional ones for shopping, etc. So cute. Here's the entire sticker kit. There's actually 19 sheets, which is amazing. 19 sheets of stickers with this kit. Absolutely gorgeous. And remember this pocket that you could fold? These are the stickers here, the sticker sheet here. You can use these to decorate that pocket to create your own traveling suitcase pocket. So that's the sticker kit. So we've looked at the entire planner kit and the sticker kit for Getaway. Once again, I just love it all. I love the colours, love the art, love the watercolour. Planners Anonymous have knocked it out of the park one more time. Absolutely gorgeous. So thanks for watching this unboxing, and hopefully I can create something with the kit soon and share that with you. Okay, bye.